Now we will see how to write our first prompt on Google AI Studio. So when you will reach AI Studio, click create prompt like this. First you can also set the system instructions. It is optional, so I'll do it later. From here I can try the suggested prompts. I'll write our first prompt. Suggest me a recipe for an Indian dish high in protein. I'll click run. So this is our first prompt. Okay, so it is giving us an answer. From here you can clear the chat. Okay, go above and you can see the options. Chana masala. Click here and rerun. You can edit it. You can also click more options and delete. You can also copy the text, or you can also copy the markdown. So this was our first prompt. We did it with the default settings here. Here we can also edit the title and description. Click. Recipe suggestions. Save. Okay, so we saw how we can write our first prompt. Here is the prompt. We already enabled autosave and it got saved to drive on its own.